In order to create a system restore point inside of Microsoft Windows 11, first of all, you need to go to Start menu and type in restore right here. So here an option pops up which says create a restore point. And once you click this, you get this option in system properties right here. And here you can see that protection is on for C system, meaning it will create a system restore for that particular drive. So if I were to go around and click on create, then what you can do is you can create a system restore point right here. So I'm just going to go around and say tututube point right here. So I'm just going to go around, type in tututube point, click create. And what happens is that it creates a restore point. So what happens is that it saves out all the major configurations in your computer and creates a restore point so that if something happens to your computer by any chance, like your computer starts to function bad, or like there's a software error or a driver issue, then if you were to revert this into a particular restore point, then your computer will be restored as if it was in that particular point. So restore points are automatically created when you install out applications. But if you want to manually create a restore point in some point, then you can use this method right here. And that is how you can make sure that you have restore points which you can revert back to if some system error occurs in Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.